The leaks continue to come in. Be sure to stick around to the end for pricing. Now there is a little bit of sticker shock for sure, and I will explain. In the last video, we confirmed a lot of rumored specs. We have confirmed the radically redesigned drone body with a new camera that has an f1.7 lens and a gimbal with increased vertical range. Are we gonna get that 90 degrees? Please, DJI, please. No, we're also getting obstacle avoidance sensors on the front, the back, and the bottom of the drone. Now I'm excited for active track in this compact drone and a totally redesigned larger capacity battery as well. Now we have a calendar and pricing in this new major leak. Now this leak calendar is by @DealsDrone on Twitter, and it shows training dates happening in April from the 20th to the 26th, with a potential for an announced release on either the 27th or the 28th of April. Let's talk about pricing. @JasperEllens on Twitter says there are going to be two models, a standard model Mini 3 and a Mini 3 Pro version. Now let's break down the pricing for each. Let's start with the standard Mini 3 model. This package will cost you $519 USD. If you want the Fly More package, it will cost you $786 USD. And if you want to go for the Fly More combo with the new DJI remote controller with that built-in screen, which looks amazing, it will cost you a whopping $1,100. Now let's get into the Pro model. Here we go. Base Pro model is $676. Now, if you want to upgrade to the Fly More package, that will cost $943 USD. Wait for it. Here we go. The Pro model with the Fly More package with the new remote controller with the built-in screen will be a whopping $1,257. We are in the realm of the bigger drones if we get to that kind of pricing. The Air 2S, the Mavic 3. I just don't know, DJI. Definite sticker shock on my part. How about you? Let me know what you think of the pricing and if it will be worth getting the Mini 3 or the Mini 3 Pro. Now, if you've not already, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell to get alerts for future leaks of the DJI Mini 3. As we get closer to that end of April release, we're only going to see more leaks. I can't wait.